In today's world of increasing complexity, big data, and the need for real-time decision-making, enterprise resource planning systems, ERPs, have emerged as strategic tools. So where does SAP come in? SAP stands for Systems Applications Programming and is an ERP system that integrates various business processes by providing a centralized platform for managing data, improving efficiency, and making informed decisions. It allows for all business activities to be conducted in one place, and its aim is to manage the entire company or enterprise resources by breaking down the company into different application modules that can communicate with each other and shares a common database, SAP S/4HANA in the case of SAP, which stores key table information on customers, vendors, purchase orders, sales orders, and many more things, even flight details. The core SAP modules, though, are materials management, sales and distribution, and financial accounting. But there are many more that make up an ERP system, such as HR, human resources, and supply chain and logistics. These modules reflect a given business area. Let's consider a scenario. Let's say I was to start a library business, then I could possibly make use of an ERP system. Since with an ERP system, I can manage book inventories, member details, and finances. It can track which books are popular, when they're due back, and even send regular reminders. This helps the library run more efficiently and provide better service to its users. Now, what are the roles of vendors, customers, clients, and end users in a business context? Well, firstly, we should know how a business works and who or what is involved in this process. So we have customers, clients, end users, vendors, as I mentioned. Companies offer some form of service and product that goes through many stages in the product or software development lifecycle, where constant testing and assessment takes place to see the feasibility of a product and whether it meets the requirements of a client or end user. So vendors are suppliers of goods and services. You can think of a company or an individual selling raw materials to a manufacturer. Customers are individuals who purchase goods or services from a business and are end recipients of products offered by the business. Clients are a specific type of customer who receive ongoing service rather than a one-time purchase. You can think of it as a lawyer has many clients or a doctor has many patients. The patients or clients seek advice from the professional. An end user is a person or individual who uses the product or is a final consumer of a product or service. This could be a customer itself, but not always. If someone were to develop a website, they would need to identify who their stakeholders and end users would be, and the end user would ultimately be the person who interacts with the user interface, UI, and website to navigate through the site. Thank you.